Janice are about to embark on the same adventure. They're riding their motorcycle. We're gonna take the jeepney. Hi! Say hi! There we go. And off we go.
Come on for the ride. We're gonna go down to Bali Bago, have a little bit of lunch, walk around and show you the Diamond subdivision. Come on for the ride.
Yeah. Here we go.
We're about to leave the barangay section of Dao called San Isidro. And here comes Janice, and they're on their way. They're getting ahead of us. They'll be there before we are. Wave bye-bye as they go by. See ya. Bye. Anyways, they'll be there soon before we are.
I forgot to put my eyeglass. That's okay. I got it. That's the builder house. And this is the Rosie Dao motorcycle, and Jollibee and City Mall, and then the bus terminal also. There's the McDo. And Jinra, Jumbo Jinra. That's where always go when we do a shopping, grocery. Oh, there you go. Nope. There's nothing on the box. See.
On the bottom.
Yeah. Oh, traffic. You didn't wear socks?
No.
There's only flip-flops.
Yep.
Ah, see. Yeah. This is Yamaha car dealer. Really nice weather.
It's a beautiful day.
No clouds. Too close. Ooh, so cold here. Here in Geisha. Half of block. I don't know where is it. What's the name of the egg and this one.
Huh?
Eggs and bricky.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one.
All right. Steak. Is this steak or pork?
Steak, steak. It says steak.
Not steak. This is pork. Pork steak. Yeah, this is pork. Absolutely.
It's good, right?
Yeah, the price is okay. $2.
I know. Kind of crazy.
$2, guys, for pretty decent breakfast.
No, I'm just filming Yasuro and Serious called Bali Bago.
Hi guys, I'll see you
have some Pampangan restaurants like
Yeah.
Mama Soup, Cavitas. And we have, we're walking up to it right now.
Yeah. Umberto and Hazel. There you go. Saan tayo? Doon. There you go. Hi, Sam. Yeah. There we go. Ooh, it's so scary. It's so scary. So scary, guys. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Shelly's here. Shelly's here. Hello.
Well, I would like to just walk around.
Inside. Oh, itim na naman ako.
I don't see one thing.
Wow. Hindi pa nga na ano yung ano ko eh. Yung sunburn ko eh.